Resources and development. Resources are everything around us that help us to live a better life. They include things from nature, things made by humans, and even our own skills and knowledge. What are resources? Resources are materials or tools that we use to satisfy our needs. For example, water, food, electricity, roads, and computers are all resources. Types of resources. Resources are categorized into three main types: natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. Natural resources. The resources that are found in nature are called natural resources. Example: trees, rivers, sunlight, wind, and coal. These natural resources are further divided into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. These resources replenish themselves. For example, sunlight, air, water, and biological resources like forests and wildlife. Non-renewable resources. These resources are limited in supply and take millions of years to form. For example, fossil fuels like coal, oil, and recyclable metals like iron, copper, etc. Human-made resources. These resources are created by people by modifying natural resources. Example: roads, buildings, machines, and vehicles. Human resources. Skills, knowledge, and abilities of people are called human resources. For example, teachers, doctors, engineers, and farmers. Now let us see the importance of resources. Resources make our life easier and more comfortable. For example, electricity gives us light, water helps us drink and grow crops. Development of resources. Human needs and greed have led to the overuse of resources. It led to many problems. Let us see the problems caused by the overuse of resources. Pollution of water, pollution of air, and pollution of soil. Loss of forests and wildlife. Shortage of essential resources like water. So these are the problems caused by the overuse of resources. Is there any solution for these problems? The solution is the resources must be used wisely and sustainably. Sustainable development. Using resources in such a way that we meet our needs without harming the environment is called sustainable development. It ensures that the resources are available for future generations. For example, using renewable energy like solar power instead of coal. Reusing the recycling products to reduce waste. Next we see resource planning. Why is resource planning needed? Some areas have plenty of resources, while others have very few. So, proper planning of resources ensures everyone gets equal benefits. What are the steps involved in resource planning? 1. Identify resources. That is, studying where and what resources are available. 2. Plan resource use. That means creating plans to use resources efficiently. And the third one, implement the plan. That means applying the plans with government policies and programs. Next, land as a resource. Land is a resource which is mainly used for farming, building homes, roads, industries, and forests. Now let us see the India's land use. India's land is mainly divided into three areas. 1. Net sown area. That means the total area used for growing crops. 2. Forest area. The total area used for maintaining natural balance. 3. Non-agricultural land. That is the total area used for buildings, industries and transport. Now let us look at land degradation. When land becomes less useful for farming or other activities, then the land is called degraded land. What are the causes of land degradation? 1. Deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down trees. 2. Overgrazing. Overgrazing means allowing too many animals for eating the grass. 3. Mining. Mining means that is digging the earth for minerals. This activity harms the land. Next, soil pollution. That is dumping waste on land. So these are the causes of land degradation. Then what are the solutions for land degradation? Planting trees, using proper farming techniques, and managing waste carefully. With these solutions, land degradation can be prevented. Soil as a resource. Soil is an important resource because it is essential for growing crops and supporting life. Now let us see different types of soil in India. 1. Alluvial soil. It is found near rivers and it is very fertile. Example, soil in Ganga and Brahmaputra plains. 2. Black soil. It is best for growing cotton. And this soil is found in Maharashtra and Gujarat. 3. Red soil. It is found in dry regions and it needs more fertilizers. Example, soils of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Next, laterite soil. It is found in hilly areas. It is good for tea and coffee plantations. Next, desert soil. It is found in Rajasthan and it needs irrigation to grow crops. Next, mountain soil. It is found in hilly and snowy areas. Soil erosion. What is soil erosion? When the top layer of soil is removed by wind or water, it is called soil erosion. Soil erosion is caused by deforestation, overgrazing by animals, heavy rains and floods. Soil conservation. Protection of soil from erosion is called soil conservation. Let us see the different methods to protect soil. 1. Contour ploughing. Ploughing along natural slopes is called contour ploughing. Terrace farming. Creating steps on hills for farming is called terrace farming. 3. Planting trees. Roots of trees hold the soil together and prevents soil erosion. 4. Prevent overgrazing. Controlling the number of grazing animals prevents soil erosion. What is the need for conservation? Conservation of resources ensures they last longer. Protecting forests, water, soil, and air is important for maintaining life. Role of humans in resource management. Humans must act responsibly to save resources. Let us see some examples of good practices. That is like recycling plastic and paper, using bicycles or public transport to save fuel, saving water by fixing leaks, and turning off taps when not in use. Now let us see the methods of responsible resource use. 1. Using organic farming methods. 2. Replanting trees after cutting them down. 3. Building rainwater harvesting systems to save water. And 4. Using renewable energy like solar or wind power. So this chapter teaches us the value of resources and the need to use them wisely. It encourages us to care for nature, save resources, and live sustainably for a better future. Thanks for watching. Please like the video. Please share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to Grade Booster channel. Press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Check the description to find links of other useful videos. Check the end screens for our new videos.